Good day, I'm Clay Robinson, a soil scientist and member of the American Society of Agronomy and Soil Science Society of America. In this video, I'll show you how to put your annual plants in the ground. But first, a word about planting for landscape plants. This Italian blue cypress may be 5 feet tall in the garden center, but grows to 60 feet or more. Don't be the person who invested their money and time in a tree, only to have it grow into a utility line. When selecting a plant, I examine the roots, stems, branches, and leaves. Let's look at the roots. A plant may have a few roots visible in the potting soil, or it may be root-bound from being in the same pot too long, like this one. The roots are growing in circles around the inside of the pot. If available, choose a plant that is not root-bound. Back home, water the plant well until water runs from the bottom of the pot. This helps decrease transplant shock. In pruning the plant, I target lower leaves, buds, flowers, and fruit. A plant wants to reproduce, so if buds and flowers are present, all its energy goes into them. Removing about half the buds, flowers, and fruit is a short-term sacrifice for a long-term gain. It promotes a better root system, which means more flowers and fruit in the coming weeks. This squash plant has some buds and flowers that will steal the energy from growing roots. So I pinch or cut them off where they connect to the stem. Don't pull them off, as that can damage the stem. Remove lower leaves that are turning yellow and any that have broken petioles. That's the part that connects the leaf to the stem. Let's prepare the roots for planting. If the plant is in a peat pot, pull off the bottom and tear through the sides in several places to help roots grow into the soil. If the plant is root-bound, use a trowel or other small tool to gently tease the roots out from the mat. Some roots always are damaged during transplanting, and some top growth should be removed to help the plant adjust. So the more roots that are damaged or on the ground when you're done, the more severe the pruning needs to be to help the plant adapt. We're finally ready to put your new plant in the ground. Plant as deep as the first leaf you leave on the plant. This anchors the plant well, and on many plants, new roots can grow from the nodes of the leaves you removed. The nodes are the swollen places on the stems where the leaves and branches start. Push the soil into the hole and gently firm the soil against the root mass. This ensures contact of the soil with the roots. However, if you pack the soil too much, water movement and root growth will be restricted. If available, put mulch around the base of the plant. In conclusion, to increase the chances for success for your new plant, water the pot thoroughly. Prune buds, fruit, and leaves. Tear the pot or tease the roots. Bury the plant to the bottom leaf, fill the hole and gently firm the soil, and cover the soil with mulch. Again, I'm Clay Robinson. Thanks for listening. Have a great day, and may your plants live long and prosper.